Hello! In this video I'll show you step by step how to set up a proxy server to connect to EFI IQ through a firewall using the EFI Cloud Connector. I'll clarify that the EFI Cloud Connector and EFI server must be on the same proxy network. I should also clarify that I have Windows 10 installed, but regardless of the operation system, the settings and interface are the same. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click like. Now, install, if you haven't already done it, the EFI Cloud Connector and run the application. After installation, open Software Informer as you see on my screen. Select Settings at the top right. You will see a settings window. You need the network section. In this section, select Configure Proxy. The program redirects you to the properties of the connected network to the internet. Here you need the Configuring LAN Settings section. Click on Network Settings. In the window that opens, make active Use a proxy server for local connections. You have active windows for entering the IP endpoint of your proxy. Enter both of them. If this is a free proxy, then after entering, click on OK. And if it is a personal proxy, then when you try to work with the application through a proxy, you will be asked for a login and password of your proxy. Also, you can click Additional, and in the window that opens, enter a proxy for various protocols: HTTP, HTTPS, SAX4 and SAX5. Also enter the IP endpoint for chosen protocol. Below in the exceptions, you can enter resources or IP addresses for which you will not need to use a proxy. When everything is entered, click OK. Ready. The proxy for the EFI Cloud Connector is configured, and now your work with this program will be safe and anonymous. That's all for now. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. See you.